Want a tasty aperitif? This sliced salami rose is easy to make and beautiful to look at. Use a sheet of parchment paper to prevent lemon zest from getting stuck in the grater. Ready to use. Here's a simple way to make homemade tacos. This way, the flat bread will take on the shape of the glass and remain upright. Now just fill it and bon appetit! Dip grapes into sparkling wine to create an original alcoholic treat. After 1 hour in the fridge, sprinkle the grapes with sugar. They look delicious. Don't do this. The lid should be twisted this way. Much better. Here's a hack to keep your coffee pot from getting dirty. Like this, the coffee won't leak out. For these little snacks, you only need 3 ingredients. An easy, tasty, and healthy recipe. The easiest way to clean shrimp? Using a toothpick, you can remove the intestine easily. Try this hack using chocolate to amaze your guests with decorated drinks glasses. Wow! By first dipping your finger into water, it's easier to pick up shell bits that have fallen into the egg. Alternatively, wash the outside of your eggs thoroughly before cracking them open. By doing so, you can reuse the shell. Check out how easy it is to pick up the pieces this way.